In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Mexican wedding cookies or pecan snowball cookies. To make this, we need 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of chopped and toasted pecans, 1 cup of powdered sugar and 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Now, combine all the ingredients except the powdered sugar into a dough. Make sure the butter is soft so that you can combine all the ingredients well. Now I combined all my ingredients together and I made it into a dough. Now our dough is ready. You can either cling wrap it or cover it and refrigerate it for 30 minutes. In the meantime, I powdered my sugar and I got 1 cup of it. It's been 30 minutes now, so we can take the dough out of the refrigerator. Now, roll the dough into small balls like this and space them evenly on a cookie tray. Now preheat the oven to 350 degrees and bake these cookies for about 12 to 15 minutes. And this is how your cookie should look like after 15 minutes of baking. Slightly brown on the bottom and still white on the top. After 2 minutes, roll each cookies in the powdered sugar while the cookies are still hot. We are going to coat the cookies in the powdered sugar twice. After the first coating, we are going to wait for the cookies to cool down for about 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes now and the cookies have completely cooled down. And now they are ready for the second round of coating. Now we are going to roll the cookies once again in the powdered sugar, and now they have thicker coating of sugar on them. With all this extra coating of sugar, these cookies looks like a snowball. No wonder why these cookies are called snowball cookies. Trust me, these cookies will melt in your mouth. Try these snowball cookies at home and enjoy. Thank you for watching my video.